Ebates Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and we're going to be doing Ipsy versus Sephora Play. So I did end up canceling my Sephora Play. This is probably going to be the last month. I don't think I'll be resubscribing, but we'll see. But I keep Ipsy because I love their cute little bags. So let's take a look and see what we got. So we're going to start with Ipsy, and here's the little card. And they actually put in the back the products that are in the bag and different information about them. So that's actually pretty good. There's no pricing, but at least they have the descriptions and they have little tips on there. So nice going. I love this. Okay, so the month, this is the month of February, and it says Swoon So Hard. And this is what the bag looks like. I love this. This is super cute. It's pink with little kisses on there. And it actually feels really nice. So, we got one of my favorite things in here, you guys. We got another brush. Yay! I love me some brushes. And this is the Luxie Precision Blending Brush number 243. And this is really nice. I love Luxie brushes. So I'm excited about that. Okay, next thing in here is the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. And this is from Koki Professional. And I got the shade Medium Beige. Maybe it'll work. It looks a little bit on the yellowish side, so that's what it looks like. So we'll see. Let me put some, oh yeah, it should be able to work. Maybe. That's what it looks like. At least it definitely looks like it will brighten. So I'm excited for that. I've never tried anything from that brand, so that's pretty cool. Next thing in here is from Ico. Yep, Ico London. It's the Lash Alert Mascara. I've tried their eyeliners, but never the mascara, so I'm excited for that. And then we have something from Pixie, and it's their little glow tonic that I have received before, so still happy about that. And the last thing, it's from PS Cosmeceuticals Infused Nail Lacquer. It says that it's infused with grapefruit seed extract, which is known for its medicinal uses as an antimicrobial, antifungal. Okay, and I got the shade Orchid. So that's what the packaging looks like. And this is, wow, this is definitely a really pretty purple shade. Let's see, can we put it in the light? There we go. So that's actually really pretty. And I'm excited to get nail polishes in here. Okay, so let's do a little recap of what we got in our Ipsy. We got the nail polish in Orchid, the mascara, the brightening concealer, the glow tonic, and the eyeshadow brush. So, in case you guys have never heard about Ipsy, Ipsy is $10 a month. So, they actually did pretty good. And Sephora Play is also $10 a month. So, this is what the inside looks like. It says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. So theirs comes in a little plastic baggie that I just end up tossing. But the back says, open here to start your next beauty adventure. And they also have a little brochure that comes in here that gives you different tips and tricks. And you get 50 additional beauty insider points if you make a purchase, whether it's in-store or online. So, let's take a look at what we got. So we got the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. This is going to go in our little giveaway pile. I have like a gazillion of these, to be honest. And I like the Clinique makeup, but my skin just does not like a lot of their skincare. It actually causes me to break out a little bit, so I'll try here and there a couple things. But this one, it's the Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. So it's a retractable eyeliner in Intense Ebony. And these I actually do like because some eyeliners can give me an allergic reaction. My eyes get really itchy. And these don't. These are wonderful. I love these. So I'm excited to get one in here. Okay. Next thing in our baggie. It's from Fresh, and it's the Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream. Oh, I've never tried that one. Usually I get the face mask that they have from this specific line. So that's what that looks like. So I'm definitely excited to give that a try. I do love Fresh. Their products are really, really nice. And I got a little baby lipstick. And this is from Bite Beauty in the shade Maple. And these are so cute. That's what that looks like. It's actually a really pretty red. It's like a brick red. It's really, really pretty. And I'm going to see if I already have this. If I do, it'll go in our little giveaway because I do have several of their lipsticks, so I'll have to check. And there's two more things. One is our perfume sample of the month, and this is from Daisy, from Marc Jacobs Daisy, and I actually own the full-size perfume, and that smells really pretty. It's perfect for spring. I love it. And the last thing in here is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And I have tried these before. These are really nice for your under eyes. They leave it really nice and hydrated, so I'm excited for that. Okay. So a little recap. Sorry, I dropped a little perfume. We got the little perfume sample. We got the eye mask, the face cream, the little lipstick, which is so super cute, the eyeliner, which I'm really excited to have received, and the Clinique hydrator. So overall, they did really good this month, which is why I kind of considered maybe resubscribing. But with them, with me, it's always a hit and miss. And there's more misses than hits. So I think I'm going to stay away from them just for a little bit longer. We'll see. But, okay. Our Ipsy and our Sephora, man, this month is really, really hard, you guys, because for some reason, the month of February, everybody tends to do such a good job on their boxes. It's really hard, but I think this month I'm going to go with the Sephora Play. There's some items in there that I really am looking forward to trying, like the fresh face cream. I love those under eye masks. Those are great. The eyeliner, so I think they did really good. Ipsy did really good too. If I really had to pick one, it would have to be them. But they both did really good, okay? So again, both of those boxes are $10 a month. I'll leave their link down below in case you guys want to sign up. Let me know if you are signed up. What did you guys get? Everybody gets different stuff, so let me know down below what you received and which one was your favorite. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit that little subscribe button down there. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.